Hello, young lords, viewers, students, learners. I am going to talk about articles in this video. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite article. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called a definite article. Now let me talk about the pronunciation of articles. I have seen that many people use or many people pronounce articles incorrectly, wrongly. So let me tell about the pronunciation of these three articles. When the letter A comes as article, it has two pronunciations. The weak form of it is a, and the strong form of it is a. Now take an. Weak form of it is an. The strong form of it is an. Now take the. The weak form of it is the. The strong form of it is the and the. But in a speech, lecture, conversation, talk, we use weak forms of articles. In other words, we pronounce it a, an, and the most of the time. Now let me talk about the position of articles in a sentence. Articles come before a noun. When the noun is followed by an adjective, articles come before the adjective. When the adjective is followed by an adverb, an article comes before the adverb. For examples, he is a boy, she is a girl, he is a good boy, she is a beautiful girl, he is a very beautiful boy, or he is a very beautiful, she is a very beautiful girl, he is a very great man. Now let me talk about the use of articles. A and an are used before the singular and countable nouns. A and an never come before plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Whereas the, which is a definite pronoun, definite article, it comes before the countable noun and the uncountable noun. Before the singular noun, before the plural noun. So the use of the is wider than the use of a or un. Now let me talk about the use of a and un first. The use of indefinite articles. Number one, a and un are used before a singular and countable noun. They are never used before plural and uncountable noun. Example: this is a book. Correct. This is a two books. Incorrect. This is a pen. Correct. This is a three pens. Incorrect. Because pens, books are plural, they will not take a. Now, a comes before the word which begins with consonant sound. Un comes before the word that starts with vowel sounds. Example: Ram is a boy. Sita is a girl. She is an intelligent girl. This is an elephant. This is an ink pot. This is an apple. Now, a and un comes before a common noun, before a singular common noun. Example: this is a book. This is a copy. This is a house. He is a man. She is a woman. You are a boy. She is a girl. Etc. A or un is used to suggest a rate, measurement, price. Example: potato sells 20 rupees a kilo. Rice sells 50 rupees a kilo. Take these medicines 3 times a day. Petrol sells 80 rupees a liter. Mobile sells 50 rupees an ounce. Next, a or un is used to suggest the whole class, the whole common noun. Example: this is a cow. This is an ox. He is a student. He is a teacher. She is a professor. He is an intelligent man. She is an intelligent woman. Thus, a and un are used before singular and countable noun. I shall talk about the next rules, next usage of a and un in my next class. Thanks.